Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you need to do, you need to append same way the VBAP details also. Okay. So this way appended the VBAP details because directly you need to append the VBAP because already the values are coming over here in this work area. Okay. In this work area, all the values are coming. So no need to write a read table. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now next thing is that what I need to do? I need to write for LIPS. LIPS this many things. So what I have to do? I'll just push it over here and I have to write read table IT underscore LIPS into the work area with key. So here what I have to write? Okay. So here VGBL. You don't have VGBL, right? We did mistake in this. Hold on. So here, actually, we must include these two fields. What are those? VGBL and VGPOG. Okay. Otherwise, you cannot read them in the read table. So we have to include this one also. So here, what I have to write now? You have to select the values also. Okay. So here, what I have to write? What I have to write? With key VGBL is equal to and here we don't need to use and, just write VGPOG. Okay. Binary search. Okay. So here, size was equal to 0. Then try to put all of them inside that. Here. Simply I have to read this table IT underscore bibliography. Okay, this way you have to append over here. Okay, so what you write? Append W final to IT final. Okay, so the syntax, like everything is okay, just activate this. So here, now everything is here. The setup still, here we are selecting this data from a database and we are merging all this data into a final internal table. Okay, yes, got it. Now here, what I'll write, if my checkbox is, so if the IT final, simply what I'll do, and what should I write here? If E underscore chk is equal to x, I must download the data also, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
I must download the data. So here I will display the data. Okay, here I display the data. How to display the data?
Loop statement.
Use loop statement. Now this is loop part has been done. Okay. So let me, what is this? Download as an access. Okay. So let me comment this portion. Let us display the data. Okay. So let me first display this data. Okay. I need to remove this breakpoint. So this is the way data is get displayed. Okay, got it. So there are different fields. These details are from a multiple.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I do,
Yes, sir.
I must check. I just write some. Yes. So what is the function model used to download? That is GY underscore download is the function model. GY underscore download. This function model used to download the any sort of file. So here, what you should give here, if you go to this file, no. So here there are different types of files are there. You have ASCII and file size you can give anything. Okay, this is string. So here by default I have to convert LV string. So what is the internet of that do you want to download? That is IT final. Yeah, got it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whatever data is displayed in report, we need to download it, right? So that we need to provide over here. So just activate it. And I'll run this one. Here I'll choose this file. Right. Then I'll bring a download. Okay. So what the file? Let me create a file over here. Download. So I'll create Excel over here. So the name of the Excel is, let's say, download. Okay. So here what I do, I'll go over here.
So remove breakpoints, sir.
I'll remove it once. So there is no value. So here I'll just go for it. Here I'll give file path. Okay. So I think I have just written one breakpoint in F1. F2. Commented, right? Yeah. What is the file name? It's a download. Okay. So
Yes,
just
sir.
execute them. Okay. So still allow. So here I think some data has been transferred. Let me go to the file. I think what are the data it got? I think hold on. Excel has some problem. So let me open a notepad. Open the, I think browse. So can you see the data has been downloaded to a file? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yes, Shiva, got the point? So here,
Yes, sir. But you have created one file in desktop now, sir. Instead of that, directly we can't able to do it, sir, because you created one file name downloads here, and then you you call this download there. Instead of that, can we do it at there itself?
there itself means direct download means it should get downloaded to a file. Okay.
Yes, yes.
But you have to create a file. Without file, where it will go? That is a different concept. You have to create a file, then only that value will go sit in that file. Okay.
Without creating from ABAP itself, we
Yeah,
can't able to create a file.
Excel also you can do that. Excel also you can do that. Okay. Directly you can create that file also. I think here in the report. Okay. Got it. So here, download file path.
Can we change the name, sir?
No, you have
Instead
to
of
see.
download.
You have to create a file. Otherwise, yes, ABAP will not create a file for you. Okay. Either you download or upload. You have to create a file path. Okay. Got it. See, even if you're uploading a file, you have to create a file, right? Without that, how the ABAP will create a file for you? Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This file you have to create it. Then only it will go and sit on that particular file. That file will not be automatically created.
Sir, if you have the requirement like the report, you need to create a file on that particular folder. But we won't create a file directly. You know, sir. After creating a file in the folder, we won't pass that ABAP program into that. We will create using
Yeah,
ABAP
by
program.
default, see, instead of that, you can give a file over here. See here. By default, no, you can create. I think here. Where is that? Download. Here somewhere. Yeah, that option also we can create it, but here, yeah, that also we can do by using a different function module. Okay. So right now I don't remember that function module. We can download direct Excel. Okay. Got it. So automatically
Yes, sir.
Excel will be get
Yeah.
downloaded and it will be saved. No need to create a file for that. Okay. Excel you can download it directly. There is a function module for that. Okay. I think that is a function model. I don't remember right now. Let me go to SC37. SC37. There is a different function model for that. Excel file will automatically will be get downloaded. If you click on that, automatically will download it. From ASLM. Hold on, just a minute. Hold on for a few minutes.
Sir, SAP convert to CSV.
SAP convert to, yeah, that is that file. Yes, yes. SAP
Convert to CSV.
convert to this one, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
For this function module. Yeah, I think this one. Yes. Pershing. But this is basically what is the function? Hey, what is this? It's given in German. Yeah, Excel comment. Yes, this is the right function module. So what is this? Basically, if I display this one, let me take this function module, copy. Not in this way, I have to copy, put a pattern, with this. Yeah, so here, what do you have to pass here? I file name. So if you go here, it should be I file name. Directly I can pass P file over here. P underscore file. And what is the what?
Fine.
Okay. But here also it will ask path here. See here. Here also it will ask path. Okay. So directly it will not be get downloaded. Let me just comment this. See here it is asking by default. You can do one thing. Instead of giving this path, no, okay. Directly what you need to do? Directly I need to, where is my file? In the C folder, right? Means desktop. So here it is there. So if I'll open this, okay, no, I'll go to this computer desktop.
Download, sir. It is there.
There, right? So, but what is the path here?
Double click on that, sir. Download. Double click on the download file.
But I want the paths. There is a path, right? C drive, something like that path, right?
Yeah, it will be there.
But how it is? Why it is not coming? Okay, what I'll do now? I'll put that in a driver. Some folder. Let's say I'll copy this one. I'll put some download option here. Document. Just over here. Oh, this is the path. Okay. What is the path? C user. Can I copy this?
Copy.
Can I copy this one? Copy and paste it into my SAP. No,
No, it is not copying the path.
some problem is there in that. What is that path here? Yeah, this one. Copy this, paste it over here. Okay, you can do like this. Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can default it the value. You can default the value. So if you not give that value, also automatically it will download to that particular location. We'll go this one. Without that, if I'll execute, no, automatically see it is asking the system trying to access. Do you want to grant? Yes, allow. But you have to create a file. Okay, SAP will not create a file for you. For that, there is a different concept. That file creation will be having different concept. Okay. So, but it's taking why so much of time. Some problem is there with this system. It is not downloading that. What you got the point, no, Shiva? What I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
That means this path, instead of giving in this, you can default it there in the program. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Dipti, got the point.
Yes, sir.
You have to default it. Okay. Then automatically it will come. No need to give the file. Okay. Stop. Yes, everybody got the point.
Yes, sir.
So here, what I do instead of doing, this system has some Excel kind of. So here, if you download, see, can you see the data has been downloaded? Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay.
See that? I think. Yeah, tell me. Yes.
That is like previous.
Yeah, that may be a previous, right? So
Previous. Sir.
let me remove that. Delete the file. Okay. So what I'll do now, I just delete this file. I will create a new one. New Excel. This is not Excel, right?
There only it is there.
Which one?
Microsoft Worksheet Excel.
This one?
Down, down.
Oh, oh, this got changed. Different one. Let me
Default view as Excel.
put in a download. Okay. Sure. I'll change this name to download. So let us see now whether the File is getting downloaded or not. I'm not giving the path, but automatically it will be downloading, I think. So here, some issues are having with that. See, this is the problem it is coming. Can we complete action?
It is already, sir, it is already trying to download, sir.
Trying to download, okay. See, this is the bogus data. The data has been downloaded but in a different format, okay. Just cannot understand that format. Okay. What is the problem? Why? What happening with this? Why? What is the problem with this? Why it is happening like this? Don't know what it is. What is the problem? Okay. Anyway, you got the concept. Okay. So I think this system has a problem with the file. See, as soon as I click, it's getting problem.
It is already trying to download, sir, so that only it is coming like that. I mean, its server is busy.
Yeah, but problem. See, I will click on.
Too many times we have given retry. So
Very problem. This in this way you cannot read. Okay, anyway, that's well and fine. You cannot go to program also right now from here.
Mhm. Let's stop here today.
I will stop over here today. Okay. So I already discussed. I will just give the program. You just execute in your system. You try to export it out. Okay. So as you told that by default creating a file, we can create. No, you have to create a file, but by you can default the path. Okay. Instead of giving the path, you can simply default the path and click on a checkbox. Once you execute, automatically the content will download to that particular Excel. Okay.
Okay.
We can create that
okay.
Excel also, but that is a different. That is an object-oriented approach. We can create that Excel file. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Got it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm stopping over here. So today I will try to complete that. I will create a Gmail for that and download all the data, upload all the videos to that, and you can have a I will put all this PPTs also in that. Okay, everything in the PPT you can get it from there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So just practice it. Okay, because these programs from now onwards you need more practice.
Yes, just send me the program.
Yeah, I will send that program and
Yes.
this recording also. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.